Greetings, green thumbs and seed sowers. Today, we're diving into the earthy world of gardening. As the frost of winter retreats, it's time to prepare for a bountiful spring garden. 5 seeds to consider are tomatoes, bell peppers, zucchinis, cucumbers, and sunflowers. Start with tomatoes, nature's summer treat. Plant them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last spring frost. Bell peppers, a crunchy delight, follow a similar timeline. Zucchinis, a garden staple, can be started indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost or directly sown when the soil temperature reaches 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Cucumbers, a refreshing crunch in any salad, prefer direct sowing after the danger of frost has passed. Lastly, sunflowers, the skyscrapers of the garden, are best directly sown after the last frost. Remember, patience and care are your best tools. Happy gardening? Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Now that we've selected our seeds, it's time to delve into the nitty-gritty of successful germination. Remember, each seed has its own unique requirements, but there are a few universal tips that can help ensure a healthy start. Firstly, ensure you have a good quality seed starting mix. This gives your seeds the best environment to begin their growth. Secondly, maintain consistent moisture levels. Seeds need to be kept consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to rot, while underwatering can lead to drying out. Temperature is another crucial factor. Most seeds prefer a warm environment to germinate, so consider using a heat mat if your home is on the cooler side. Finally, don't forget about light. Once your seedlings have sprouted, they'll need plenty of light to grow. Consider using grow lights if your natural light is limited. Remember, patience is key. Some seeds may sprout quickly, while others might take a bit longer. Stay patient, keep nurturing, and before you know it, you'll have a garden full of thriving plants. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll discuss transplanting your seedlings outdoors. Happy gardening!